Hi Marc and Mandy, am I excited to show you some great appliance options today. KitchenAid's lineup of premium appliances are adored by home chefs and professionals alike. Now let's start with cooking. Here you have the best of both worlds. You can whip up a fast meal using microwave convection up top, or bake perfect desserts with the lower even heat true convection oven. In the lower oven, Easy Convect does the work for you. It automatically adjusts conventional baking temperatures to their convection counterparts. This extra large 5 cubic feet capacity lower oven has a temperature probe and is perfect for entertaining large crowds or making homemade meals for your loved ones. To complement that, why not turn up the heat and try something new? Two 20K BTU dual flame burners allows you to sear, saute, simmer, and sizzle to your heart's delight. Now, of course, the stylish commercial design makes a statement and gives a professional feeling to any kitchen suite. No room for built-ins? No problem. This innovative induction cooking surface uses electromagnetic energy to heat your cookware instead of the surface of the range, providing a faster, more efficient, and safer cooking surface. The cooking surface also has a bridge zone to allow for full flexibility like the Combi. Finally, we have the heart of your kitchen, the fridge. Here we have a 36 counter depth design which features stylish flat edges and recessed handles. It fits nearly flush with countertops and cabinetry, creating a seamless built-in look that is sure to complement any home. Its sleek interior design features a platinum colored finish, metallic wooden accent, and as well as tinted glass drawers and bins. Thanks Marc and Mandy for coming into our showroom. I hope to see you guys soon.
Thanks for watching the Marc and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel.